Hey techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you easiest way to install Jenkins and Ubuntu machine. So let's head to lab session. So for that I have a EC2 console access. So let me click on sign in. Once you are getting to AWS console, go to search bar, type EC2. So you can see the service called EC2. Click on this. Now you can see the launch instance. Click on the launch instance, and the name of the instance that you can provide anything. So let me bring for the Jenkins and click on Ubuntu machine. So since we are using for pre-tier account, we will go for the free tier eligibility. So now you can see the free tier eligible. I'm selecting Ubuntu 24.0 LTS. Confirm changes. Then scroll down. Next we need to create a key pair. So I can create a new key pair, so that we can connect your machine using this key. So I can provide the name called Jenkins. Again, your wish, your convenient, whatever you want to bring name, so you can provide the key pair name. So let me download my download places. Then come to here, select any. If you want to create a new security group, you can create it. Right now I'm going to use it for my default one. Let me select for my default security group, and the important step that we are going to see next is advanced details. So here it comes for installing our Jenkins. Click on advanced detail, and in the scroll down the bottom you can see the user data optional, right? So after launching our EC2 instance, then we need to install manual Jenkins. Then for that install, while creating itself, we can provide the user data. Then while creating instance itself, it will be creating for our Jenkins servers. Okay, so that's what we are going easy way to install our Jenkins. Let me type here install Jenkins on Ubuntu. User data. Once you type in Google, you can find the script called apt-get update, and also you can see the package in Java. Without Java, we can't able to run our Jenkins. So for the second step, we are installing our Java package. Then download our official repository for the Jenkins. Then add for repository. Then you update. Then you can install our Jenkins and enable Jenkins and start the Jenkins. Okay, so you just copy the script and come to your instant, and under the user data optional you just copy it here. Yeah, then click on launch instance. So in these steps what will happen, so I'll launch the instance itself. So in the instant Jenkins also it will be installed. So no need of run it manual installation, or you don't want to take SH to our machine. Alright, so this is our instance ID. Click on this. Now you can see our instance details over here, and this is our instance ID, this is our public IP address, and also now instance states running. Okay, come to click on instance over here, instance, and select instance. Now we can see the connect option, right? So click on connect option. There are two ways to connect our machine, either using web browser and using client. Okay, so that is we can use it for two way. So now I'm going to use it for web browser itself, and let's connect it here. Or if you want to connect our instance via SS client, you come to here, and we need to follow these two steps to open either one of your uh, console tool like a git bash. If you are using for any other tool, you can use it Booty and mobile extreme also. Now I'm moving to wherever I downloaded my PEM key, that is for downloaded folder, download. Then I'm bringing permission for my PEM key, paste it here, clear screen, and permission. Then you can end. If you are not able to connect it because of the port not enabled 2022 port number, sorry, I mean 2022 port number, then for that we need to go to our security group. Let's find out our security group. This is a security group name. Either once you are come to your instance dashboard, you can find the security. Under the security there is a default group, and you can click it on and edit inbound rule. So add rule, the rule as such, and click on anywhere, and also HTTPS, click on HTTPS and click on this save rule and come to here. So alright, once you are configure your security group, then you just type it yes. So now we can take a remote for our Ubuntu machine. So then this is a one way to you can use it to connect our local machine, and other way to you can use it our web browser itself. So again we go to here, there is a for web browser and connect it. So there are multiple way to connect it, so you can use it whichever you want it. Okay, and next we need to check our instance, I mean the Jenkins either up and running or not. You just type called system ctl status Jenkins, system ctl status. 1 second. So all right, so now we can check the system ctl status Jenkins, I mean sorry, my typo. So now you can see our Jenkins up and running. Let me verify our UI. So in order to access our Jenkins servers in UI, you go to your you need to get your public IP address. So this is our public IP address. Copy this and type HTTP colon the port number 8080. Continue the site. Alright, so now we can see our Jenkins dashboard here. So this is what we can install our EC2 to Jenkins. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.